opposite side. Slide it in like that. And this is slotted. So you can see this is slotted. And these slots slide right in, just like that. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I want to talk to you about how do you turn your SM7B around. A lot of times, a lot of people don't want it this way. They want to flip the microphone the other way. How do you take this part here and put it on the other side? Say you want to run it this way, you want this microphone to run that way, you really can't. But you can. There is a certain way to do it, and it's not as simple as just loosening. You think if you loosen these up here, it will just slide out. That would be easy, but it does not. You can see here, it has little channels in here. These channels are designed to hold the microphone in place this way. That way you can just, balance it, tighten this up as you want to, but it just doesn't move, that's what you want for it. But how do you flip it around? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So what you want to do first is it's a little tricky, a little scary, but don't be afraid. You just loosen these up, okay? Take these off. And you got these little washers in here. You can see here, there is a washer, right? Take that washer off here. And then there's like a little washer here. It's like the dented washer. It's bent a little bit, and that takes up, they call that a tension washer. See how it's like dented a little bit? That's a tension washer. And that takes up the tension between this, when you screw it down, it'll make it so it has that smooth feel to it. That's why you have that, okay? And there's another washer. You take that washer off here. So you put this as a washer, tensions washer, and then the outside washer. So just like this. So if you get lost, if you drop it by mistake, you get confused, this washer goes first, the tension washer goes second, whoops, and then this washer goes third on top, and it's slotted, so it has to go on last, okay? Well, it doesn't have to, but that's where it goes on. This goes on last. So it goes on the small one, you got the brass, and this is brass, you got the tension, and then you got this one on top. So this is the configuration, so if you do drop it, this is how it goes back together. So don't be nervous, don't be afraid, you can do that. That comes right off, no big deal. And then just loosen the other side here as well, okay? Take this off. Now, take off the washer, same thing. Now, when you take these off, you think it would just come right out. It does not, okay? There's a little channel. You have to loosen up that channel. You have to actually move it out of that channel. This is like a little grommet. See right here? Little brass grommet. That actually holds the microphone from coming out of the slot. You can see here how it's set up that way. And there's one more washer inside and a plastic washer inside there. So leave those alone. Don't worry about that. Okay? Same thing with this side. Just pull it right out. Now, this will come out just like that. Super easy. See that? And you just flip it over. You want to flip it the way, if you want to flip it the other way, you flip it this way. You just slide it back in like that. Okay, again, if it fell out, no problem. You put the plastic washer in. Let me just get this underneath here 1 second. It is a little tricky. You do have to play with it, but not to worry. Get those in like that. Okay, like that, and then you put it in the opposite side. Slide it in like that, and this is slotted. So you can see this is slotted, and these slots slide right in, just like that. And then you basically reassemble with the washers back in. Now, the secret is, the trick to getting this in is make sure this grommet, this brass grommet sits in the center and falls in, just like that. If it doesn't fall in correctly, it doesn't put the pressure in correctly here, and it won't seat correctly. So just make sure you put those in all the way in. You put your bushing, your washers back on, you put this back on, and you're good to go. It's that simple. But the secret is really getting this little grommet out here. That little grommet, you take that grommet out, this slides right out, just like you see here. I happen to like it the other way, but I wanted to show you how to do that. So it's really easy. Just put this back together the way I like it. This is the way I like it. So I'll show you how to just install the grommet. So make sure you put the grommet and slides inside the microphone. And it's got to go through the washers too. So the secret is how to that's the hard part. You got to get them to slide. So there's also inside washer. So the secret is just give it a little jiggle, and you see how it just fell right in there? It fell right in there flat. See that? Hopefully you can see that. That's the secret how to get that in there. You just give it a little jiggle, and it falls right in. That's all you have to do. Really, really easy. And I'm going to put this back together. And we have the brass washer first, like I told you. And then we have the tension washer, like I said. And then this is the fixed washer that goes on the outside here, like that. and this side is installed. That is all set, good to go. Make sure that's in there. And you can tell, it automatically has tension right away. You can tell that's installed correctly. Now, turn on the other side. Now, the secret to putting it back together, just keep the other side loose, okay? Because you want this to move around. You want this to be able to jiggle that around because you want this grommet to fall in just like it did on the other side, right? Let's get it in here. Let's give it a little shake. It fell in, beautiful. Let's get our washers in here again. Here is the big one. Here is the tension washer, and we have the slotted washer that goes on top. Again, put it back on, just like that there. Give it a little jiggle, make sure everything is nice and smooth. And now you're back in business. Super easy to move it back and forth. And that's all you gotta do. Really easy, guys. So go ahead and do that, depending on how you like your microphone, either this way or if you want it this way. Totally up to you how you want the wire. It's easy to configure once you know the secret about the jiggling. The jiggling is the secret, because if you don't jiggle it correctly, it won't seat in here. And if it doesn't seat, it won't work right. It'll flop around and you won't be happy. And that's how you do it. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of video. I love this microphone. It's one of my favorite microphones out of all. I'm doing another review based on the windscreen, this windscreen, or the big windscreen. We're gonna do a test on that, so subscribe to the channel and I'll show you. We'll talk about that and we'll listen to the differences between the big one and this one here. And even without one, we'll do 3 tests. Without it, with this one, and then also the big one. And we'll do that test next. So go ahead and follow the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I really do appreciate it. I have over 1,100 videos on my channel to help educate you, motivate you, and teach you a little bit about everything with technology, how to, and everything else in between. And you know that's what my channel is all about. So I appreciate it. Spread the word, pass it along, share this video, and hopefully I brought you some value. And let me know. Appreciate it as always. Make it a great day. And I'll be a link down below also. There'll be a link over here for this for the Shure SM7B, not that fake one on you know where. This is the real one. And also down below there'll be one in the description. Right below there in the description, below the field, and right at the end of the video right here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. You make it a great day.